Atul Jha.
Yeah, hi, I'm Atul. I am from Pune and I work in Zorient Solutions. I am currently working as a Java plus Angular developer. And in this time of lockdown, means we don't get much time to do free stuff as we are all working from home and probably with a lot of extra work. So apart from work, I explore cooking and all. I'm also learning violin. So if I get time, I do that stuff as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mm, Parinita. Okay. Hello. Okay. So, Ishan, introduce yourself. Yeah. कोई नहीं. कोई और है? Anyone wants to introduce yourself?
Yeah, hi, bro. Beat David. I belong to Ahmedabad and I've been working on Android X for past 4 years. I like to play with awesome Flutter widgets in my free time.
It's great. Next, who's next?
Hello everyone. I
Mm-hmm.
hope all of you are doing well. I'm Riya Patel. I'm from Baruch, a third year student of computer engineering. I've been exploring Flutter since almost 6 plus months, and right now in this period of lockdown, I have started with open source contribution and have applied for our GSOC. Apart from that, I have been working on a project of an NGO, which I guess I had to leave for a few months in between. So I'm thinking to I have plans to complete that down in this period of lockdown, and learning cooking a little bit in the free time I get. And other than that, we have assignments and stuff from college to submit. So that's it. Thank you.
Yeah, we are still waiting for a speaker, so sorry, but we are having some technical difficulties. Okay, she's here.
Ashish here.
So today's speaker is Poonam Jha, and she is working with ECW as database specialist, and I met her last year, and since then she has been helping us organize Flutter Ahmedabad meetups with all the things we are bad at, I mean not very good at, like communication and managing. So yeah, thank you Poonamja, and yeah, space is yours.
Poonam, your mic is off. Poonam, turn on your mic.
I hope it's audible now.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
We have 16 attendees. Oh, that's a good number to start with. I know these names and faces. We have Kinjal as well. Hi Kinjal, good morning. We have Riyad too. And okay, the expert panel is ready. I have that as well. So if at all, I am very young enough to teach something to someone. But if still I need help with answering your questions, I have some people who can help me with that. So yes, very good morning to all of you. I am not sure how and up to what context I would be able to do justice with your time that you will be giving it to me now, but I'll try my best to make it as fun as I can and to teach you some worth knowing stuff that you can be better at whatever level you are currently. Okay. I think we're good to start. Can we, guys? Can I have some organizing team
Yes, we are good to go. We can
shooting up
start.
that are we good?
Yeah, we can
Yes.
start. It's been 15
Great, great.
minutes,
So
so yeah.
let's just do mic check. 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3 all sorted.
Yeah, done.
Yes.
Great. And can I see you guys saying hi only? Just say hi and mute yourself. I'm it's kind of taking attendance. I just want to see that okay, I'm seeing you guys. You guys are here, and I can see that. Anil
Hi.
Tejwani. Hi Anil. Hi Arjun. Hi Atul. Hi Bharat.
Hi.
Hi Pranita. Hi Darshit. Hi Deep. Hello Danish. That fast and furious man.
Good morning.
Very good morning. Hi Kinjal. Hi
Hi.
Kishan Singh. Hi Praful. Hi Praful all the way from Nagpur. Thanks for joining us. Hello Champion Ria. Hi Sunny. There is one more Sunny. This anonymous people I just don't like. Hi Siddharth. Hi Sumit.
Hi.
I hope you guys are doing well and you guys are having a good morning today. I'll try to
morning.
make it a better morning. There we go. So I'll just turn on the presentation. I had some questions, like we started a chain on Twitter, like me and my entire team, that what all say, hi Dhruva, seeing you gives me a lot of motivation that I would be doing something good today. Hi Dhruva, thank you so much for joining us. Dhruva, you can mute yourself and say hi to the entire team. Team would be very happy to have you. Hey, there you go. Okay, great. So, few requests for you from me. Keep your mics mute. If you want to have your camera turned off, that would be good too, because it would be a lot of me talking to you. 70% would be my, but again, I have studied a lot of things in past 48 to 72 hours to be a better facilitator today. So I already know what you guys want to know. Few things that I don't know, I'll ask you later part, or we have gathered some things that probably will cover whatever you want to know from us today within this next few hours. So, okay, can we start? Can we do Irshad to our presentation?
Yeah.
Ishad.
Irshad.
Great. Thank you so much. So here is I have the little tiny cutie Flutter. Hi from us. I can keep this with me. Like it gives me, I'm a part of Flutter team. So I'll start the presentation now. Sunny, help me today to how I can start with that. Okay. My entire screen and share. Request to the organizing team, if something is not going out properly, just ping me and just ping us in that group that we have so that I will be notified about it and then we can proceed further.
Sure.
It's loading. तकनीकी असुविधा के लिए क्षमा. Okay, so a request to you guys, and since we are having a very crucial time now, don't distance yourself mentally. Stay home, stay creative, and stay very, very safe. You guys might need to be very extra careful towards your health and your immune system because this virus is affecting everybody very quickly. We even heard that even without having any foreign contact, it is affecting people. It is making them weak, and it will emerge you to fight with corona. So we entire nation as an entire country, we are fighting with that. So don't distance yourself mentally as well. We'll have to do it socially, but don't distance it mentally. Please take care of yourself and stay very strong and be at the most positive self of yours and sense of yours so that we can deal with this all together. There we go. Winning your own race by mastering the art of communication, conducted by someone like me, who is not that famous artist, but she's journeying around. So what I mean by winning your own race, how many of you think that communication has a definition, has a it can be defined in a set of terms that this has to be like this? I believe what I have seen so far, what I have learned so far by communicating with various kind of people is that it has no such language or set of definition that it has to be like this. You'll have to be very polite. You will have to have a smiling face. You will have to see them. You will have to use English or any specific language. You will have to be very fluent with it. No, it's all crap. Trust me. It is your own thing. You can use the way you want to communicate. It's just that it should be, it's your own race. If you have something to communicate with people, and if you can communicate it the right way and the right content to the audience, you're winning the race, and it's your own race. You're not competing with anyone. You can have a different perspective on that, but what I understand, to master at something, you'll have to take it as you are racing with yourself. Then only first you will win yourself, then you can win the entire world. The question for you: how many of you have unfriended or blocked someone on social media because they said something offensive about life, politics, religion, maybe food, health? Or how many of you at least know at least one person in your life whom you avoid talking because you just don't like talking to them? Just answer to yourself, and you will get the hint why the communication is worth knowing, worth having an art and life. So at this moment, like, we have heard people talking that if you want to have a good communicator, initially you can just pick in some topic like weather. You start, how are you, how is weather over there? But currently, and in the time of like vaccine and all, the kind of weather we are having in India, an entire country, like an entire nation, entire world, we cannot really communicate such things because it can turn out into a very argumentative stuff. It can be very political. It can turn out something that not a pleasant conversation should look alike. So at this moment, so it's like at this moment we are very divided. We don't want to listen to each other. We're less likely to compromise that, okay, I'll listen to you and then I'll speak. We might have heard that sentence a lot of time. And nowadays people are listening to respond, not to listen, not to understand. In Hindi, I read that quote somewhere, लोग समझने आते हैं और समझा के चले जाते हैं. So communication is balancing talking and listening. Like Sunny Rao said, he thinks, I believe the entire team of our, and so far, so whosoever has known me as an individual, like have got an opportunity to speak with me, or I got an opportunity to speak with them, and I could speak something about how I live, how my routine is all about. I make my living the most by talking to people. Right from starting my cycling in the morning, then having my breakfast, and then preparing my lunch, and then going to work, coming back, a lot of things. It has communication evolved in every single thing, and that I am paying very attention at. Like if I tell you how routine goes on, before that, why I'm telling you the routine, because some of them I do receive such Instagram messages, some Twitter messages, or some Facebook or WhatsApp messages that, dude, we are so proud of you. We so love you so much that the way you live is so inspiring. You do everything that we want to do, but we can't. We think we don't have time for that. How do you manage it so well? Well, man, it's very easy. If I make it funny, you don't really need to manage your time for that. Me and you, we both have equal time to spend an entire life. It's just that, how do you choose that? If you keep on complaining, you will get nothing in back. So you'll have to start something. Once you will start, you're on the way. So how do I start my day? So I work with US based company, eClinical Works. So my office timings are generally from 5:30 p.m. to 2:30. Previously, a month back, it was 6:30. I can see somebody has just unmuted the mic. Can you please mute it? I believe this would be some of the from the organizing team. Thank you so much. Okay, yeah. So I work in a US based company, and so my timings are accordingly. I come back home from office around 3 to 5. If we have more work, since I have recently joined, I love learning. I get more chances and more time to learn after my office hours. So I do stay home. I do stay office and I do learn, and then I come back. So mostly I come back after 3:30, 4 or 5. Sometimes I even touch 6, and then I come back home and then I quickly start get freshen up and then I go for a morning ride. So I come back home around 3:30. Then I see an old uncle right down the building. That uncle has is doing ironing of clothes. Every day I meet him because it's midnight. It can be unsafe because every day a stranger drops me home. A strange taxi driver drops me home. I'm me alone in sitting in the auto rickshaw. So it can be unsafe. So I do look for some smiling faces on my way who can make me feel, no, you're good, you're safe, you will reach home very well. So when I'm about to reach home, I see that uncle smiling at me. So that way, we could sense something. We could sense that positivity that I could pitch him. How are you, uncle? Are you doing all well? Why do you wake up so early? I do ask such questions to him. So once only I asked and I got my answers. That uncle's wife, again somebody unmuted. So that uncle's wife has both kidney failed. It's been a month now, but that uncle wakes up at 3:30. He goes home at 7 p.m. in the evening, and he does his work like the best professional you can imagine or you can define in your life. Because people has their working hours in the morning. People are supposed to go office by 9 or 8. So he will freshly iron the clothes from 4 to 9, and because that's the source of income he has, and he has to go take that for his wife's operation as well, and for his own living lifestyle as well. So he has to do it. He has the pile of clothes to iron, and he does it from 4 to 9, and then he goes hospital to see his wife. Then he prepares lunch. Then he come back. He rests for a while. Then he again resumes his work. Again goes to hospital. Feed his wife, and that's how the routine goes on. So the first person I meet in my routine is this. Then I meet the mechanic because the kids in our building who punctures my cycle almost every alternative day, and I can't repair that. So mostly once in a week I used to meet my mechanic, and that man is very very nice, very decent. He does it. Even I'll just go there, take my cycle there, and he will just repair it very quickly. Even he has queue of people waiting over there. So he does that. So the second routine goes like that. And the third stop, I start my morning ride. I choose a different route every day so that I can see the city, see the different part of city every day. I would be riding some minimum distance I would be covering in a day would be some 15 to 20 kilometer, and then I can maximum reach up to 50 kilometer if I'm not so tired of my office work and I'm not so hurry in sleeping and resting for the day. So I would be riding from sometime 10 to 15 kilometer to 50 kilometer. It depends on my mood. So it goes on like that, and so so I meet a lot of kids, and I play with them. I play football with them. I take them for a morning ride. I ask them to sit back, and then we have some fun. We sing songs, we dance, we do a lot of things, and then it goes on like So then I take a break and I go to Idli Medu Vada store. There is a young South Indian man who teaches me some beats of Tamil language whenever I meet him. So that's where I start learning a different language. I love learning different languages. It makes it easy for me to communicate with whosoever I want. If I know a little bit of it, I'm okay. That person got the idea that I want to talk to him, and then my message is communicated properly. I'm all set. That's how it goes on. And then I go to coconut store, that uncle who from whom I drink coconut every day. That uncle waits for me, and he really wishes to have me as a first customer, so that he can add some music in his morning routine. And I play some folk Gujarati music every day, and I'm bringing my speaker along with my cycle, and then it goes on again. So I come back, then I sleep, I prepare my lunch, and a lot of things. All these communications happens, and then again to get Rexy to go office, negotiation, and you cannot believe someone that he will drop you office or anywhere safely on time with no awkward or uncomfortable experience. So it has to be a very clear communication that you might talk very less with them, but yeah, we need to talk. So I negotiate that he won't charge me extra for that, and he will drop me office safely on time. And if I ask him to change the route because I know the shortcuts to go office, he will believe that and he will take me there. So that goes on like that. Then again, the most important communication that I have in my day, for which I get paid for, client communication. I do take some 5 to 10 calls in a day to speak to our clients, and there's all the US based clients. I'll have to understand what they're going through, and then I'll have to troubleshoot it. It goes on like that, and I come back home. Then again the routine starts. So this is how I make my living the most out of communication. So I may talk more or less with these individuals, considering the situations, but all this and many more makes my day alive and gives me a lot of takeaways. That why, and it gives me a sense that they might like me, or I can be better communicator because they teach me a lot of things. And so that's how your day and your communication. Your communication skills in your day can make a very big impact in your day, can make a very big impact in your individual routine, can give you a very good experience in your routine if you're doing it well, in your day. So yeah, let me define what is communication now. So communication is basically to connecting. Do you see this GIF? If I tell you the background of it, we were preparing a team collage, and I work with the module called Messenger. So this was my idea that let's make a cloud, because it's a virtual messenger again, and somebody drops it and I'll catch it. So this was a part of our collage, and we did it. So this was one of them. So communication is basically to connect. If you can connect with somebody, what they want to listen or what they might like to listen, and if you have the same thing in the same way that they can digest it easily and they can implement it too, that means you have connected well. So that's what communication is all about. It can be in many more ways, not only specific to language or by speaking to someone. It can be visually, it can be performing arts, it can be even by reading, it can be speaking and listening, and a few more. So I'll give you a quick example how it can be visually and a lot such ways. Parinita Didi, you would be able to easily relate with this. Can you guys say this? I tried creating a story a long back. This is the picture I made during my graduation. And it reads a story that, Parinita Didi, if you can just unmute yourself for a while. So this is the day when we attended GDC Ahmedabad for the very first time, when I met her. And she's a very important part of my life now, I can definitely see that. She has a lot of sarcastic beats over there. And that's where she is. That's what I am, who has done nothing, absolutely very innocent. And these are other two weird souls that we met. One of them was my college senior, another was her college mate. So this picture has a communication. You can do it visually as well. That's what I basically mean to speak. And we are well preparing to join IIT to clearing the GATE exam. This is one way that you can visually communicate. You don't need to have a language expertise or very good command over your language. You can have that. That would be an add-on. Other thing, I'll show you this again to you at the. Yeah, you can unmute yourself now. That's fine.
और आपका खून चूस
Okay,
लेंगे।
thanks. So this I'll show you again at the end of the presentation because I really want to thank you. This was another way that I created long back
गजब।
to thank a friend of mine who was helping us really well, or who was a very big part of our life again.
नहीं અત્યારે એક
So,
મીટઅપ ચાલુ
and
છે,
the other thing that I said was by reading. So I'll read a story for you.
મીટઅપ ચાલુ છે, સ્પીકર કોઈ ઓર છે,
Your
હું
screen
તો
is
ખાલી
still visible
organizer
to
છે,
others. Click
ચાલુ
to
કરી
cancel
મૂકી
your
દીધું છે.
presentation. No, I don't want to. Okay, so yeah, even reading can be a very good communication mode. I'll read a story for you guys. I hope I'm audible properly.
જેમ કે કોઈ ટેકનિકલ ટોપિક હોય, કોઈ એક્સપ્લોર
So the story title is Perhaps there is a road up there. Some small boys planned to steal the mullah's sleepers and run away with them. They called them and pointed to a tree. Nobody could climb the tree.
ઓપન ફ્રી
Any one of you could, said Nasruddin, and I shall show you.
ગૂગલ
Removing his sleepers, he tucked them into his belt and began to climb. Mullah, they cried. You won't need your sleepers in a tree. Nasruddin, who had sensed without knowing why that he should take his sleepers with him, reproved them. Be prepared for every emergency. For all I know, I might find a road up there.
લોકોને આમ બતાવવું હોય તો એ લોકો સામેથી
Again, there was no, you guys listened to me. I listened to you. I know you that you want to. We are talking about communication and we did that. So there is no specifically, you'll have to be bi-directional. If you understand what the other person wants to know and wants to hear or would like to hear, and if you have that thing with you, go ahead, you will have a good communication. You will have a good conversation for sure.
ઓનલાઈન છે તો બી ઓનલાઈન બધું.
The next part was speaking and listening that we would be doing for next 1 hour and a few more. So, about the performing arts thing,
તો yeah. તમે બોલો તમે ક્યાં છો?
I can
પછી
sing
કહેશો કે
somewhat
કે
and I can
ઘરે
dance
છો.
somewhat. What I will do now,
અમદાવાદ કે બીજે ક્યાંક?
I'll show you an example of performing arts can be a good communication.
તો શું અત્યારે તમારે કામ ચાલુ છે કે
That's the speaker that coconut store uncle waits for me to bring in. Just mic check. Can you guys hear me? And
હા,
is it
બોલો, બોલો.
audible
હા,
and
હું
visible
એક
properly?
message કરતો હતો આ લોકોને, ટીમને.
Yes, it is.
And great. Thank you. Okay, so I'll sing a song for you all.
શું કોલેજ? અરે હા પારુલમાં, બરાબર. નહીં વચ્ચે પછી
I have my
કંપનીમાં
props
join
ready
થયા
with
હતા,
me.
પછી તમે અહીંયા જોઈન થયા, બરાબર. કેવું છે
So the mic
પારુલ,
will
યાદ
too
આવે?
be in my favor.
એટલે પગાર બરાબર આપે છે?
Darkness coming around and everybody's fighting with their brother.
અને અત્યારે classes
Everybody
લેવાના
wants
છે અત્યારે
control.
vacation
Don't hesitate to kill one another. So come back, is
exam
Jesus.
કઈ રીતે લે?
Come back and save the world. Bless all the future
બેસિકલી
of
ચીટિંગ કરે
every boy and girl. Come back is Rama. Forgive us for what we have done. Come back is Allah. Come back is anyone. Krishna ni begane
ફટાફટ solve કરી દે બે
barote
પેપર.
begane baro mukh bande tori to Krishna ni begane barote Govind bolo Hari Gopal bolo Govind bolo Hari Gopal bolo Allahu
Strong રાખવું
Akbar.
પડે. કે કોઈ ક્યાં જોવા જાય
That's
ને
all.
time
You
waste
can
થઈ જાય.
you can musically communicate too, and the dancing segment comes in the picture now. I'm sorry if I shouted in your ears. That was not my intention at all.
એટલે ખરેખર ટાઈમ નો યુઝ કરીને બધા ક્વેશ્ચન મોડિફાઈ કરેલો છે.
Can you hear it? That's not my composition purpose. I'll tell you what the real singer is. Okay, that's enough for you guys. Yeah, there you go. So you can visually communicate with people. For example, if you can just think of listening someone, or if you can think of someone performing a dance performance, what would be memorable for long time? I believe an art form it would be because it goes
So kind
goes smoothly
हमारे भी वर्क
and
फ्रॉम
it is
होम
more
चालू है
pleasant to way. Yeah, unless somebody is so extraordinary well communicated. So that's why visual art can also be a very good communication skill if you have that. So again, I'm just empathizing with you. So if for example, if at all you think that if you don't have good command over your language, you don't have good command over your grammar, you don't have good command over your pronunciation, that's fine. Okay, there are multiple ways to communicate. So yeah, and now we move forward. We're done with this. Okay, so I need your participation in performing these tasks. So because further things we would be talking about would more be you need to think when I introduce that point to you. Then you need to stop thinking. Then you need to listen to me. Then you need to understand. If you have any question during processing your thoughts to understand that well, write your question in your note. Then stop writing. Again, be in that moment for the next thing I would be serving to you to repeat the same. Think, stop, listen, understand, write your question in your note and stop. Okay? Yeah. My favorite slide of the day. Are the instructions clear to you guys?
બહુ કામ કરાવે
Can I have some acknowledgement? Thank you so much, Bharat. Okay, so there we go. So, how many languages do you need to know to communicate with the rest of the world? Somebody would say English. English is a global language, it's an international language. English should be the most known language. Well, I don't agree. So, my answer to this question is this just one, your own. You need to have your own language, your own medium to choose the way you want to communicate with the world, irrespective of the language and any social terms that you guys have heard so far. You guys have been judged so far. No, it's all a crap. So, this is something that we all know. I'll just quickly brush up through that. The effective non-verbal communication includes a proper attire because your appearance matters a lot. Good posture. You cannot show any offensive gesture. You cannot show something because if you're in India, if we compare it with the US and UK, the way they perform, the way they carry themselves to the workstation, to their workplaces, they have a different. There be some basic differences over there. So the way you posture, it has to be very clear and very crisp. It should not have any offensive meaning to in some other aspect or in some other corner of the world. Your gesture should be very very natural. I can show you this how it actually affects very on a very big scale. So if I would be wearing, if I see I'm at home, right? I can wear pajamas and I can just chill out. But because if I would wear that, you will have a different impression of mine. अबे यार इसको कुछ पता नहीं चलता है कभी भी कैसे भी. So I'm not being very conscious about my wearing now, but yeah, I'm just telling you this is one way. Other, your gesture should be natural. It cannot have only one. You guys have might seen people who sing or who dance or who communicate. They only keep doing only one thing. Common, repetitive. You will be bored of, even if he's speaking so well, you will be bored of seeing the way he's communicating, his gestures and everything. So your gestures has to be very natural. How you can make it natural? If you guys have heard the art form, the dance form called lyrical dancing, which dances on the lyrics of the song. You can be a lyrical speaker, not a lyrical, maybe a verbal speaker. That whatever word you are saying, you must have prepared that before. So think of that word and then act it accordingly. It could be a natural. You will be illustrating that. You will be demonstrating or presenting yourself with that word the way you feel, that the way you understand that word. Maybe that would connect more because it is not something. Okay, I have seen Narendra Modi explaining this word this way. I'll do it because Narendra Modi, everybody likes him. So I'll do it the way he does that he addresses the nation. I'll pick his Deshan Mitro. I'll too will say Mitro. No, it's not like that. You can have your own thing, but it has to be natural so that people can. If it is pure and natural, people can consume it well. And then it goes purposeful movement. Something very much following to the previous 2 points. Whatever movements you are making, you should not be rushing towards here and there. You should not be like roaming around and communicating with people. It has to be a purposeful movement. If you are moving out, there should be a reason for that. Appropriate eye contact. You cannot stare someone.
वो भी पछता रहा है जिसको मिल जाता
And if you're staring, there should be a reason behind that.
उसके बाजू वाले पछता
So it has to be a very appropriate eye contact. These are very basic things, so I won't be zooming more on it. I just want to revise it to all of you because since we are talking all together, I'm just revising it to you. It has to be a very appropriate eye contact. Your energy and enthusiasm matters a lot. If I would be like this, okay, so let's talk about winning your own race by mastering the art of communication. Tell me how longer you can bear me. Hardly 1 or 2 minutes. That's not what I want or what you want, right? So your energy and your enthusiasm should be properly mapped with your intentions. Why are you there, or why do you want to communicate with them? I can see people joining. Hi Ravi. Hi Arun. I hope you guys are doing well. Yes. So now the actual thing starts. These are few points that I feel are very important. And if you master any of these 9 points that I would be pointing here, that even that 1 point would be good enough to make you a good communicator. The first goes to don't multitask. You might have seen people, they are working. They're talking to the leader, they're talking to their parents, and they're with their WhatsApp chat. So, a very genuine thing. You consider yourself as a listener. That me as a kid, I'm talking to you, but I'm with my WhatsApp chat, or my roommate is talking to me, and I'm delivering this session, and she has something very important to tell me, but I'm not paying attention at. So. You either be present, be in that moment. Don't be half in it or don't be half out of it. If you don't want to have a conversation, if you want to get rid of the conversation, get rid of the conversation now only. Don't be half here and there, because it will give you nothing in return actually. Don't pontificate. What I mean by pontification is, if you don't want to have that response, if you don't want to have that opportunity to be responsible for, to be accountable for, or if you don't want people to give you feedback on anything, if you don't have that sense of acceptance that okay, I have something, people can give their opinion. If you don't want to have that, write a blog. Don't be a speaker. The third thing, very important, everyone you will ever meet knows something that you don't know. If we can quote it simply, everyone is expert at something. Fourth will be the use open-ended questions. Rather than, for example, like me, I am talking to a crowd of 5 to 6 people and I'm asking them, this COVID-19 is terrific, man, isn't it? So the crowd is listening to me, their attention would be at the word terrific. If I really want to have a conversation with them, I can ask it like that. How is it being like? This is turning weird. What do you guys think? So if you ask the question this way, they will think. then they will describe. So you will have a better conversation again. Closed-ended questions can be helpful. It can help you if they are platform for the marketing purpose. If your intention is to market the product, to leave an impression, or to influence others, then the closed-ended questions can be helpful. That isn't it great? Isn't it so cheaper that everyone can purchase? Such questions can be helpful in this direction. But initially, I believe why you should be good communicator in 101 and as an individual once, because before addressing your company entirely, you need to clear the interview, you need to convince, or you need to have a better communication with your HR than the interviewer, the technical person. And again, the induction and the promotion and everything goes on. So these all would be 70% one-to-one conversation. So you'll have to be a very individual communicator first, then you prepare yourself for the big crowd. Fifth would be go with the flow. So I believe all of you must have gone through more than one interview so far. Lalit Singh is saying that I joined late, so I don't know if this has been addressed. I'll take your questions later, man. So we were on that. Go with the flow. Me, for example, me and a friend of mine is having a conversation. We are speaking something that we haven't spoke before, so it is interesting and it is different than what we have experienced so far. So I shared that one experience with him. I went to second, I went to third, but his mind is stuck at the first one. So even the second and third one are more interesting. That other person is still at there because he found it very clever and very interesting and very wow, this was so unique. So the idea is you should be in the flow. Thoughts and ideas are supposed to come and go in your mind. Let them come and let them go. Don't stick to that. Okay. And don't equate your experience with others. If someone is coming to me or someone is speaking to me who has recently lost their grandfather, I can't start my story of losing my grandfather with them, because every individual has their own experience. Every experience is very, very individual. It can never be same. There would be something that you haven't experienced that the person is going through. Conversations are not the promotional opportunity every time. The seventh one would be forget the details. If me and you are having a conversation, unless I'm talking about the statistics, the details aren't important to communicate well. What people care about is what you are like, not the numbers and the geographic information that you are preparing or struggling to remember. No, they don't want that. So forget the details for now. The last but not very least, listen. Simplest way I can explain it to this line, listen, is somebody said that if your mouth is open, you're not listening. I recently, while preparing for this session, I was researching some information that how listening and talking together can create an obstacles or can create disturbance to get that communication happen very smoothly in a right way. Human brain can listen some 500 words in a minute, more than 500 words in a minute. But a human can speak some 250 words in a minute. So if you are speaking and listening together, you are missing those 250 words per minute. So you better do one thing. Either you talk or you listen. Do one at a time. You don't just listen to someone to, okay, I want to listen. And this is funny now. Yes, be very brief about what you are communicating with. Don't leave it in between so that people will get the control to interpret it, to understand it the way they want. If you can read that, the good conversation is like a mini skirt, short enough to retain interest, but long enough to cover the subject. Someone's sister, not me. So from now onwards, you go out, you talk to people, and you be ready to be amazed because everyone has something that you haven't heard or seen or experienced the way they will be offering to you. You go out, you talk to people, and you ready to be amazed. For example, from an individual level to addressing the nation. Okay, so recently we are going through a lot of announcement by government. We have seen Narendra Modi. When Narendra Modi, what this man did, we were all very depressed. We were all very disappointed. We were all very disheartened with the way things were turning around due to COVID-19. That man can address the nation very frequently. He can leave you. He can stop you at you play thali. You lighten up lights, and you lighten up bulbs. Whatever way you can contribute to stop the virus traveling, and parallelly to show the gratitude towards the people who are still working in this crisis. So, for example, I'm not being against Manmohan Singh. I'm just quoting an example. Think of him being a PM now. We, as a citizen of India, do you think that Manmohan Singh would be able to communicate and attract the crowd and make them do what he wants to do, similar way or better way Manmohan Modi did? He might need to appoint someone who can attract the crowd, who can attract the entire nation, and can make them, okay, you play thali today at 7 or 9, and you play thali for some 15 minutes today, you play shank and you lighten bulbs, you stay home, you don't go out, if you want to buy groceries, these are the time frame that you can go out and you can get your stuff home. Can Manmohan Singh do that? I believe our answer is no. He might be, but he might be very excelled. He might be very good at it, very good at something else. He might be a very good influencer. But when it comes to attracting the crowd and making them do what you want them to do, and which is good for them as well, which is good for the entire nation, our PM did that. So this is an example of an effective communication skill. It's not very limited to a professional. It's not very limited to a school kid, a teenager, or a person who is preparing for interview, a person who is delivering the talk at GDZ, or who is addressing the crowd or the nation. It is for every individual in the world that if you have this communication skill, it's not a it's not a rocket science. It's just as easy as that. You need to know why you are communicating with people and how do you communicate. These two makes a difference. Okay, so your questions to me. We started the thread. I said that you guys wanted to know this. So a question from this. I guess this question came from one of our team member only. As a being tech person, we always think differently. In my case, and what they think is completely different. So what is happening is we can't convince them what we are trying to say. So I believe the question who has this question is listening to me now. I just answered one thing, that if you want to communicate with them, if you want to, so okay, let me take another example now. I believe the 70% of the crowd I'm talking to now are from IT background. So why do we develop IT products for them? Why do we make application or website for them? To make their life easy, to make things very smoothly and easily accessible for them. So somewhere it is for them. So again, being a tech person, if you would be communicating certain things with them or something with them regarding your recent development or recent product, why you did that? Because them. So you take that agenda, you take the reason that why are you doing that, and then you will be able to understand. Because after all, it is for them.
सीएम बोलेगा
they are supposed to use it. If they have some question about it, or they have any confusion about it, how to use why it is not that easy for village people, you listen to them. That might add some enhancement in your product or your way of making things or creating things.
ये
So you
पूनम
focus on how and
इसने बोला कि
why they are asking this
मैंने
question,
बोला पता नहीं
and how you can
फिर
take
बाकी
it
टीम में जो दूसरे
rather than
लोग
just
हैं,
okay, I want to communicate, I'll communicate for sure no matter what you are asking. No, don't do it like that. Don't take it that way. Take it in a way that you develop something for them only, and they have the question, so let them ask the question, and then you focus on that. Then you will be able to map the user and the creator. They both will be on the same page, and you will be able to do it well. I hope this answers your question.
बाद में इसका बैकग्राउंड है ये
Okay,
ECW
so
में
mostly the
database
thing is how to get their attention
analyst क्या नाम है
and
database
keeping
और
and
analyst
okay,
नहीं,
yeah, so this the second
database
sentence is
specialist,
I added it
specialist.
to keep it
Debugging करती
to
है वो
keeping the attention till you are alive. How you can attract someone, how you can get their attention.
नाम ऐसा
Either
देते
you,
हैं ये लोग
it could be two ways.
स्पेशलिस्ट
One is that they haven't seen ever,
करना कुछ नहीं।
other they want to see it forever. So now you take it's your call which way you want to go. I will go with the second one now. That would be better. You want to have their attention, then you need to give them something that they want or that would be helpful for them.
चॉकलेट पी के
And then yeah, the attention is with you. Once they know you, once they understand you, once they like you, the attention of them will be with you as long as you are alive. Yeah, but you'll have to keep that momentum in you forever.
चालू से
That you will keep giving them the stuff that they need or they want,
हो ना ना शांति
and want to learn asking
लाइव
questions.
स्ट्रीम भी कर रहा हूँ मैं चलो
That's a very good art.
पिछला वाला भी किया था लाइव स्ट्रीम
If I have some question, the first thing I say, you think, you stop, you listen, you understand, then you write your question. If the first 4 steps, be it any conversation you are listening or you are having, if this first 4 steps you did well, your question
हाँ तेरे
would be less complicated, or maybe the question won't even come because the person merely touched everything that you wanted to know. But if you still have any question, you can ask him. You can ask the person whom you want to ask in a very
इफेक्ट है भाई
frank and very easy way, rather than using some fancy words, rather than
पर कुछ नहीं
sounding like a poker. Oh, I want to knock. I have a question. Knock. I have okay. I have one more question. No, let the one question get completed. Possibly the speaker would understand why are you asking this question, because the speaker would have prepared a lot before coming to you. So he might have thought of that thing that the person, the people can have this question. He might have already prepared for that. So better you let them finish.
पर मस्त
Not only limited to speaker again, the other person. If he's coming to you willingly, so he might be knowing you somewhat. If he doesn't, then he would understand you right at the moment, and then he will speak to you. So things will be better. You ask the question to the right person to the right way, and go easy with that. Don't be like I am at the question mark and I have a lot of questions, because asking questions sounds genius in the class, not every time. And after that, I had some questions from Twitter.
मैं कर रहा होता तो दोनों पे आता इफेक्ट ना
A small break. Okay, why am I opening Instagram? A small break. I belong to Gujarat State Board student. I had English as a subject only, not as a language. It was defined as a language in subject, so it was not primary subject again. It was a secondary subject where we need to just take the passing score, and that would be enough. Fortunately,
आज कितना लीटर चॉकलेट पी गई
I hardly studied English during my school or college, because I'll tell you why. I never needed to study very like a geek, and like I prepare for other subjects, because it was somewhere in my head, because it's language. I learned Gujarati as a language, that's why I can communicate, but I don't belong to Gujarat, but now I can talk Gujarati like maybe sometimes better than the Gujaratis do. So I take it as a language.
जब पीना कम
You don't need to have a good command over language. It's a very natural process. If you have studied in Gujarati, if you have studied in any state board, and English is not so familiar and not so comfortable for you, you will translate that thought in your mind in your language, in your native language, then you will translate it in English, and then you will speak, and this entire process till the time you will reach to the destination language, the person is gone.
लघु शंका.
So what you can do, I cannot. It's not very easy to get good command over any language. Yeah, it completely it is proportional to your interest and your
चल
efforts.
रहा है अभी.
How you are putting your efforts to learn any
Work from
language.
home बड़ा
If I can speak to Idli Vada guy
कंटाड़ा
to speak to learn Tamil, you can do
Work from
too.
home में तो भाई
Tips to get good command over language because it's a language. It is something to be practiced very strongly. If you really want to, if you quickly want to learn that, you continuously speak to someone who already know that, so who can correct
अगर
you on
help
that,
चाहिए तो reply
and you
नहीं
take that
मिलता
feedback
जल्दी.
very consciously in your mind, like speaking even I do sometimes. You pay attention to what you are speaking. Like I don't know how to what context it is possible to do to apply. I believe sometimes you can give it a try to load that statement in your mind which you want to speak, be it in English or any language that you are speaking, not so often. So you load that statement in your mind and then you play it, because when you loaded that statement, you corrected yourself somewhat. And then when you will play that statement here, it would be far correct statement. And you too will sense and correct the tone of that. You will correct the words of that. You will correct the grammar in that, because we all know grammar. We have been
मस्त है.
educated this very seriously that इसके बाद ये आता है I am is are
Disconnect कर. हाँ मैं
प्रथम पुरुष एक वचन बीजो पुरुष एक वचन बीजो पुरुष and a lot of things. So I think this is one way that you load the statement in your mind. This would be possible every day, but yeah, if you do this for a few days, after that it will be very casual for you that you will speak like this, because your mind is now trained in that way. You need to train yourself. And then we go on. So other question, this was one thing. Second question we took from Twitter thread is how to convey my message in a polite way.
क्या?
Why you want to be polite? You tell me. Because you want the other person to listen you, right? You listen to you till you complete your statement. Politeness has nothing like you smile and you talk and you see the person in their eye. Politeness is something
नहीं ट्रिमर है.
you use the positive words, I guess,
नहीं
and you use you don't sound fake. You don't sound something that you are not, because if you will be natural and you will you know the cause of the conversation, why you are having that conversation with that
मैं
person,
सोच रहा हूँ. मैं सोच रहा हूँ एक्सपेरिमेंट.
then and because you want to have that for long time. If I really love someone and I want to impress them, I would be the most polite person for him and for that moment, because I want that person to listen to me for long time. So I'll put in all the efforts to, okay, no, I want him to listen to me. I want him to be with me for to be a good communicator, partnering with me. So I'll be the most polite person. So it's not like that you only you impress your partners in that way. You can be polite to every person, every other person you're speaking to. Being polite is not a tough task. It's very easy.
तो लिया था.
You just don't.
मैंने सोचा मौका है भाई.
Other thing is that
वैसे भी मेरे को
when it comes to being polite, you guys would have seen news reporters. Have you ever heard any news reporter not shouting or yelling or not increasing the tone and sound of his voice to make the other person listen to them? It would be very rare, because the general terms we believe, if we will increase the tone of our voice, if we'll increase the sound, or if we'll start sounding bit bossy, people we will have that control over that conversation. But man, that person is not liking that, and the people who are watching you on television, they are learning something that they don't need to learn. They need to learn
मारो आवाज आवे.
how to speak proper, how to present the media and the facts in a proper way. You're shouting. No. I always feel the news reporters needs to have a communication class.